Yes. Hey Tipsy Nerds, Robyn here. Natalie's filming, and we are in Albuquerque at Bubonic-Con. We are wrapping up our season 1 Tipsy Nerds stuff, and while we were up here, we decided to make a tutorial video on how to make the layered shooter, since we've done 2 of them, one for our wool episode and one for our Independence Day episode. And we put instructions on there, but you know, maybe it's helpful to like actually see it. So what you will need, I'm just going to do the wool shooter, which we call the Silo 17. What you need for that: bottle of rum chata for your bottom layer, bottle of Goldschlager for your middle layer, and a bottle of 151 rum. Any brand's fine. This is critical. This is the light on fire piece of it. I also like to have in my drinks these little pour spouts. You can get them at Specs. That's a Texas thing. Wherever you are, any liquor store, get these little plastic guys. It's going to make it a lot easier when you pour your drink. You also need a shot glass. You need a spoon. I got this awesome psychedelic spoon at Walmart, so you should get one. You're going to need a lighter to light this on fire. And one other thing, if you really want to cheat, they sell these at stores. Basically, you set it in your shot glass, and this will layer it for you. So you can also get one of these if you want to go lazy. But
I'm gonna. What that looks like
a pea cone. No. What is a pea cone?
It looks like a breast pump.
Okay. So get you a nice breast pump or a pea cone. What the fuck is a pea cone? Okay, I'm sorry. I digress. Okay, center myself. Okay. We should not make tutorial videos. Okay. All right, so we're gonna start. I'm gonna have to like cut this. I'm gonna pee my pants. Okay. All right.
Okay.
I can cut and paste. Although I think we should leave the pee pump in. And the breast pump. Okay, so we're going to start with our rum chata. That's the heaviest, densest layer. That's going to go on the bottom. I'm going to do the best I can with this. Hopefully it's nice and clean and layered. I am not a bartender. I'm a tipsy nerd. Not as cool as a bartender, but I'm going to do the best I can. So, if you want to zoom in on this guy down here,
okay,
let's get started. You don't have to do anything fancy for the bottom layer because it's, the bottom. Oh, man. Just fix that there.
Yeah.
All right. Second layer is our Goldschlager. This is where you're going to need the spoon. So the spoon is going to help slow down the liquid. Let's see. So that it will go slowly, drip down, and layer nicely. I can't see it. Probably doing this all wrong. Okay, so you can see how it's floating on top. How's it look? About even?
Very good.
All right, professional here. There's even a flake of gold in it.
There it is. That looks good.
It does. Do you want it?
No.
Okay. Now have one of each of these for each bottle, so you don't have to do what I'm doing. All right, so the 151 is crucial for the top layer. This is our flammable substance. Okay. Pour it nice and slowly. Again, this was the Silo 17 for episode 4 of the show, which featured Wool by Hugh Howey. Let's see, I think that's good, right?
Yep.
All right. So, you can see the 3 layers. Hopefully this will show. Let me turn this up. Right, and then this is the best part.
Oh.
Hold on.
Oh, it's not flaming.
It's there.
Is it?
No.
No.
Stay on fire.
There we go.
Okay, and then if you give it a second. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you guys can see you need a spoon, you need your liquor, your fancy little toppers. Key is just go nice and slow with the liquor. When you drink this one, make sure you blow this out because it can be tricky. That blue flame hides, and so there you go. Make sure it's out. no fire before you take it. I'm not going to take this on camera because I might gag. enjoy, drink responsibly, and hopefully this helps you make a layered shooter. So, cheers.